We saw also the retraction of the ankle, a little bit challenging with the position of the elbow. So, again, my elbow is here on the distal part, posterior area of the thigh. I will grab el calcaneus in this way, and it's important my body mechanic going back. So as soon as I go back, I feel more tension where my hands are. I even put more contact in this way. I keep the ankle in a neutral position, so I don't want dorsiflexion or plantar flexion, but almost 90 degrees. And in this way, it's like I want to extend my elbows to create a decompression, and in the meantime, I move my leg backward. In this way, okay? If it's not easy, consider your size, your body mechanic in relation with the mechanic of the patient. We have also this variation, where my elbow is not on the thigh of the patient anymore, but is my own thigh. I will bring almost the leg of the patient down, and the same idea, create a traction in the vector that is represented by the tibia, let us say. So this is the vector I want to create the insulin. One way and another. Everything's okay?